Senkhai Thumkhai Toubada Chennaba Aina Thinkraba Khulai Paiba Lalaulo Kykl Sorepa gi Mioi Ama Manipur Police na Kaksing District tagi Khumungchang Bushli Singh Masagi Chahi 19 suraba Mioi Ama Phare Hairi Mangondagi mobile handset ama USB cable yawa MI power bank ama sel oina lupa chani amadi chaka ani panba gari macha ama phagatkhre.
My name is Hairi.
My name is Hairi.
My name
is
Why are you here today?
I'm here to participate in the summer camp.
How is summer camp today?
The summer camp is full interesting with badminton, several items, several chairs.
Moreover, games and sports can improve academic performance by boosting concentration, reducing stress, and encouraging a balanced lifestyle. The summer camp provides a valuable opportunity for students who have missed the chance to engage in physical activities due to the ongoing turmoil in the state. Heritage Convent offer active participation from all the students in the state and make this camp a successful one.